What's up, y'all? Happy Friday. Today is Friday. What? Today is Friday. I'm home. Got nothing to do. It's noon o'clock. I'm sitting in the bride seat that I am selling. So as you guys can see, hopefully, in the driver's seat, there's a bride seat, and I'm sitting in the passenger bride seat. Brid seat, sorry for the JDM dudes. I have to sell them. Why? Too tight. Like, it's nice, but I have no wiggle room, dog. Like, I mean, like, it's like I can't have nothing in my pocket. It's too tight. It's too tight. I am a 32 waist, and I fit snug, but I need something. I just need a little bit more wiggle room. But I don't know. I might keep them. I'm already listing them up on Facebook. This has nothing to do with the video. I received a pressure washer from a company called Westforce, and well, it's a pressure washer. Got some gold class Meguiar's. You know what's about to happen. The Westforce 5550 1800 watt pressure washer. It's a solid 10 out of 10. Reason being, I like how simple it is. Like, I like how it has like this little wind. I don't know what this is called, man. You know what I mean? Like the little wind up tool. We're gonna call this the wind up tool. I know there's a correct word for it. I'm sorry. I'm uneducated. Please forgive me. I just like how simple it is. It's a really neat pressure washer. It got the soap thing right there. Now, at first I didn't like how in order for it to use the soap, you have to use one of these nozzles. I believe it's the black nozzle for the soap one. Yeah, I think it's the black nozzle for the soap. I didn't like that at first, but it's like, if you don't have a foam cannon, I had to find mine. I could have used it, but I didn't have it. But if you don't have a foam cannon, then that works great because you can dispense the soap through the actual nozzle and then swap it out for one of the high pressure nozzles. And y'all already know, if I promote anything, I gotta come correct with a thick discount. I have a 20% off discount code for you, your mom, your sister, your brother, your auntie, your uncle, your baby mama's baby mama, cousin, sister, brother, uncle named Jerome. I got all y'all covered. 20% off, link down below, playboy. And huge thank you to Westforce for forwarding on board and helping your boy out clean up the RSX. Now Nami is looking like a dime piece, you heard? I ain't fucking with this. So we got a check engine light, and we can't be rolling with no check engine lights. So luckily, there's this little thing out there called the Zosh. Z-U-S, Zosh. Smart Vehicle Health Monitor Mini. Oh, what's that, you ask? Oh, don't worry. You know what's coming next. Lava. You know what's farting next. Oh, baby! Yeah! Yeah! What this thing right here is basically like an on the... Actually, it's better that I show you than I tell you. Because in 2020, we're putting actions over words. So step away from that toxic relationship. Boop, 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 boop. Simple and smooth. You see how small and powerful this thing is? Well, you don't know how powerful it is yet. I'm going to show you. And women got the nerve to say bigger is better. Yeah. Alright. So all we do is plug this in our OBD2 port, like so. And that's it. So in order to monitor what's going on with the car, you have a QR code on the back, or you can type it into the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. But you know, living in 2020 right now, we're doing everything by QR codes. So we're gonna see if we can get, oh, already popped up. Download it. Download it. Got the Pro dashboard, automatic car finder. What? This bad girl a GPS? Woo-wee! And if you're an entrepreneur like myself, having a mileage log is very important. Very important for tax time, you heard? But we're gonna skip all that. We're gonna sign in through Faith. No, we're gonna sign in through Apple. It's easier. So from the looks of it, we have O2 sensor code. The 3 codes that we have are both O2 sensor related since I don't have any O2 sensors. That's pretty cool though. Pretty cool. And we can get emergency, you know what I mean? We can get road assist, hospital, police. This thing is pretty dope, I can't lie. So from our scan, we only got 3 issues that detected out of everything it's scanned, and that's O2 sensor codes. Pretty cool. And if you want to just clear that bad girl, we'll clear it, and she gone. If this interests you, I'll leave a link down below to where you can get this along with the discount code. Hopefully it's a discount code, I don't know. But I'm on my promo, blood. Now that we got our check engine light code, quote unquote, band-aided, even though I gotta just get K-Pro. Let's go get some tacos.
Rap game, I'm done now. Chillin' with the homies at the crib, I'm in park dip. This the life I live, you ain't nobody. Hit the studio with no ID, make a couple better records and that bitch and then I give my body. I'd rather be hated for who I am than love for who I'm not. Give a fuck if it's hot, if it's hot. From leaving bodies in the motherfucking streets, man. Fire!
Yes, sir! If you guys want some bomb-ass tacos, then if you're in the 772 area code, Super Taquerias, know what I mean? Try it. Information on the screen. I'm such a good YouTuber, bro, the Skunk 2 Mega Power RR exhaust is so drony. It drones more than the Buddy Club exhaust. That's crazy, but I love it. And this thing shoots flames. Hopefully by the end of this vlog, I can show you guys that it shoots flames somehow. I don't know how, but somehow I can show you guys that it shoots flames. But right now I'm headed to the homie Travis' house. Then I gotta go by Randy's house. Randy's actually in New York right now for a week. His grandfather is ill, so send your love, and you know what I mean, you should send Randy some love, you heard? And yeah, that's what's going on right now, playboy. Jam out to this cold, reach my destination. I gotta put my seatbelt on.
For niggas I know for sure ain't got more dough than cold trash rappers, ass backwards.
Fucking full on Randy right now.
Why? Cause I got Popcorn blasting? Popcorn the GOAT, bruh. Hey, bro, I'm out here. I'm out here vlogging. We at Travis' house. Had to drop off my drill bit like I told y'all. So you got an intercooler in them. Oh, yo, okay. Okay, Fast Daddy. Fast Daddy Trav. Damn. Such a weird looking intercooler.
Yeah, it's got a mount because see, one of the charge pipes go under the car, one goes up to the auto body.
That makes sense.
My old one was just old. I just wanted.
I love how. So update on Travis. Travis got SRT 4 now.
Yeah, nobody knows what the fuck.
The Integra is gone. As he got this now. Travis had so many cars in the past 3 months. It seems like. But that's just Travis. Yeah, he had motorcycles and Travis. Ooh, that's a nice power washer, playboy. That's a Honda with Travis. Woo, woo. Alright, so I left Travis' house, went to Walmart to pick up some goodies. I had to pick up some Chemical Guys wheel cleaner Diablo and some snacks and stuff for this hurricane we're supposed to be having tomorrow. I mean, tomorrow it's gonna look deadly. So I had to prepare myself and get me a 14 count of Slim Jims and some Powerades. And now we forward to the gym, our last gym session. Not much really went on in today's vlog. This is the life of a YouTuber, bro. YouTube celebrity, as people would say. I guess, I don't know. Don't let numbers fool you guys. Don't let numbers fool you. But this is my life. This is all I did today. Promoted 2 items. One was paid, one wasn't. It is what it is, shouted. Can you guys guess which one was paid and which one wasn't paid? Yeah, I'm bored. Aloha, Planet Fitness. Aloha. Ay. Bro, I'm so exhausted. I'm tired. I'm motherfucking tired. Yo, Lil Wayne's hair is disgusting. It's just... You have reached the end of the video. Maybe this is not the end. Who knows anymore, bro? My last video, I forgot to put my outro. So that's why the outro played in the beginning of this video. Joke's on you! So I think tomorrow I'm going to film a video with my mom where I'm taking her for a ride along in the Integra. Hopefully that works out great. And since you guys really like the honest conversation with mom video, I think I'm gonna do like a Q&A. So follow me on Instagram and I'm gonna do like a ask Q&A thing, and you know, do another video with my mom where she's driving the car and we're, you know, driving around talking. And yeah, so look forward for that. I also want to do a giveaway. I don't know what I want to give away. I got to find something cool enough to give away. I haven't done a giveaway in a long time, and I feel like I need to give back. It's just something in me that wants to give back. So giveaway, I don't know what I'm going to give away. I'll probably hit up some companies, see if Action Clutch want to give away a clutch kit, Downstar wants to give away some hardware, NPC want to give away something. I don't know. I'll figure it out, and then I'll get the If I was a girl, I think I'd be a hoe. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. Thank you. Goodbye now. Peace.